Starting this week, you guys are going to be starting in on Lab 1. So if you log into Learn, and you go to the course materials, go into the course materials, under content, there should be a Lab 1 folder. First is the PDF. These will be your teams for the duration of the labs, so Lab 1, 2, and 3. So make sure you know who your partner is and figure out a good routine for you guys to be working and then submitting together as a group. Something to note is that you'll both be submitting the same code for each lab, and details about that are in the Dropbox. So going back to the Lab 1 folder, there's a source zip file. If you open that, or if you download it rather, you will have all of the code necessary to start your lab. So I'm going to quickly open this up. So opening these files, I'll just go through them with you briefly. The information is in the readme.txt file, so you can read through this to get a sense for what each one of these files are. Basically, you have W-linked list and sequential list implementations to follow. So if you go to the header files of the sequential list, for example, it'll give you all the function or method declarations and all of the comments needed to fill these out. And then flipping to the sequential list C++ file, we've implemented skeleton functions for you here. And your goal in both the sequential list and the W-linked list is to fill these in. Popping over to main.cpp, we've set this up for you so that you have 6 of the 20 test cases that we will be running to evaluate your code. So you're going to be getting a mark out of 20. If you pass these 6, then you're guaranteed at least 6 out of 20. So you don't have to worry too much about how this works, but basically these tests are located in lab1tests.hpp. And you can scroll through here, and later on in the course, maybe even next week, I'll give a short tutorial on how to design your own test cases. But for the time being, use these test cases and just flip through them to see approximately what it's testing for. So if you throw all these into a project in Dev C++, you hit compile, it should run, and you should probably fail all the test cases because you have not yet implemented any of the functions. And as soon as you implement those functions, evaluate them using the test cases and basically just iterate and go on from there. If you have any questions, let us know. Good luck.